When it comes to premium PC cases, few offer the level of flexibility and customization that the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 brings to the table. This full tower case isn't just about housing components. It's designed for builders who demand complete control over their setup. With a fully modular design, an eATX-compatible removable motherboard tray, and a built-in Qi wireless charger, this case stands out in a crowded market. One of the most impressive aspects of the Dark Base Pro 900 is its modular construction. Unlike many cases that limit component placement, nearly every part of this chassis can be reconfigured to suit individual needs. The motherboard tray can be repositioned or even installed in an inverted layout, providing better airflow options and custom cooling possibilities. Storage enthusiasts will also appreciate the extensive drive bay support, allowing for multiple configurations of HDDs and SSDs. Whether you're building a high-end workstation or an enthusiast gaming rig, this case gives you the freedom to do it your way. Aesthetically, the Dark Base Pro 900 combines sleek, minimalistic design with premium materials. The tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of internal components, offering a more durable and scratch-resistant alternative to acrylic windows. Subtle yet effective sound-dampening materials line the interior, keeping noise levels low even with high-performance hardware. Be Quiet is known for prioritizing acoustics, and this case is no exception. It provides excellent airflow while maintaining near-silent operation, especially when paired with Be Quiet's own Silent Wings fans. Despite its many strengths, the case isn't without its drawbacks. At $266, it's priced as a premium option, which may be a tough sell for budget-conscious builders. The installation process, particularly for the power supply, can be tricky due to the tight constraints in its designated compartment. Additionally, while the modular design is a major selling point, the user manual leaves much to be desired, making assembly and customization more challenging for those unfamiliar with high-end cases. For builders who prioritize flexibility, premium materials, and near-silent operation, the Dark Base Pro 900 is an outstanding choice. It's not just another full tower. It's a statement piece designed for those who want maximum control over their PC build. While the price and learning curve may deter some, those who invest in this case will find themselves with one of the most versatile enclosures available today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.